In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on tally.so. Whether you're gathering feedback surveys or just need a simple registration form, Tally is a straightforward tool that can help you achieve that with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the tally.so website. This will be our starting point for everything we'll do today. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the options to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, simply click on Login. Enter your credentials and go ahead, or if you're new to Tally, hit sign up and follow the steps to create your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This page is where you'll manage all your forms. To start a new form, look for the plus new form button, which is typically quite visible. Click on it, and it'll take you to the form creation area. Now that you're in the form creation section, the real fun begins. You'll want to start by giving your form a title and a brief description to inform your respondents about the purpose of your form. This helps set the context and prepares them for the questions to come. Once you've added these details, you'll often see an option to press enter to start from scratch. This will create a blank form canvas where you can add your questions. Next, it's time to populate your form with fields. Depending on your needs, these could be text boxes, multiple choice questions, or other types of input fields that suit your purpose. Take your time here to ensure you cover all the necessary information you need to gather from your respondents. Customization is key, especially if you want your form to stand out or match your brand's identity. Tally provides various customization options, so explore these to tweak the design to your liking. You can change colors, adjust layouts, and more, ensuring your form is both functional and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your form, it's time to publish it. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for a publish icon. Clicking on this will make your form publicly accessible. After publishing, you'll be provided with a share link. This is the link you'll distribute to anyone who needs to fill out the form. Make sure to click the copy button to save this link easily. Before wrapping up, remember to test your form to ensure everything functions as expected. Send it to a few colleagues or friends and check the responses. Finally, Tally offers an Insights tab where you can view all submissions in real time. Regularly check this for responses and insights as they come in. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating your form on Tally. So, thanks for joining and happy form building.